To check to see if you have the Zoom app installed, click on the circle in the bottom left-hand corner and start typing in the word Zoom. If you see it show up here, then you have the Zoom app downloaded to your Chromebook. If you don't have it downloaded, you can go to zoom.us/download and click download here. Once you click that button, it actually opens up the Chrome Web Store where you should be able to install the app and it will download to your Chromebook. Once you have the app downloaded, click sign in and sign in with Google and sign in with your Lewis Central Google account. Once you're signed in, you should see your profile picture and name in the top left-hand corner.